Alright, we brought Linda's trike back in because we're going to straighten the torsion up. The tires are not getting anywhere at all. They're not even touching the ground on the outside, which means they'll be wearing out on the inside. So we're going to adjust the torsion and so they sit straight they sit straight up and down and flat on the street. So first thing we do is take the tires off, take the wheels off, and then take the bottom bolt out of the shock absorber and undo all three of these, and then your axle assembly and the arm, they're free from the torsion plate. So the next thing is we'll take these off and open this up and see what happens. I took this cover off and turned it over and look at that bushing there, and yikes, that thing is like shot. It's like, yeah, I think we got to kind of replace that, eh? It's seriously wore out. Okay, we'll go get some new bushings and just do a bushing job on this scooter and see what happens next. Alright, we took those off, screws out, and I took this cover out, and that bushing was shot. And now I've taken the big bolt out of there and pulled this out. We're going to pull this bushing here out, and we're going to replace those two. So this thing will have a brand new suspension when we're finished. Okay, I've taken the torsion plate off the perch up there with my handy dandy homemade tool here, and got it out. Now what we can do now is measure what's there before I do any more changes to anything. Measure what's there so that when I get done fiddling with this, I'll know how much of a change I made, and I can set the other side accordingly so that both sides are the same. Alright, so I marked it, the distance of what it was, and then I put this mark on. I reset where I wanted it, and then I put this mark on to what it needs to be, so that when I put it all back together again, I'll know where to set that thing. Then I pulled this bushing out, this rubber bushing out, and it is seriously shot also. We have some brand new ones to go in there. What we don't have is those. We'll go get some polyurethanes for those. They take more beating than these do. So that's next. Alright, I put the new bushing in and reinstalled the spring plate to the mark that I had previously set. Then I measured it, and I got 7 5/8, where on the other setting was 10 1/4. So 2 5/8 difference. So that's what we'll make over there. We'll make sure we're about the same distance over there.